This stunning home is a former Star Homes model. Come and see this custom Jules floor plan, embellished with finer finishes in the serene Northwest Allen County neighborhood, Sage Pointe. This generous 4-bedroom, 4-bath offers functional space inside and out. A grand foyer entry leads you into the bright and airy great room with 13-foot ceilings and a southeast-facing wall of windows. Cozy up to the gas log fireplace, surrounded by oversized ceramic tile and wooden mantle detail. The kitchen, with large quartz countertop island, shares an open dining space ideal for hosting gatherings of many. Locally crafted cabinetry and KitchenAid appliances line 2 of the kitchen walls, and the pantry is walk-in, providing ample storage for dry goods and cooking devices. Come adore the extras in every space, including wooden ceiling beams, tiled backsplash, and craftsman-style bench drop zone. The main floor boasts 2 bedrooms, both with ensuite bathrooms. The primary is complete with a ceramic tile, walk-in shower, dual sink vanity, transom window offering gorgeous natural light, and a 3-tier closet fit to store clothes of every season. The upper level has 2 sizable bedrooms, both with private vanities, and share a Jack and Jill bath. Enjoy coffee and sunrises on the covered patio with stunning pond views. Catch a sports game or movie on the outdoor TV, lounging by the beautiful stone-surrounded gas log fireplace with reclaimed barnwood. This beautiful home boasts amazing design and thoughtful details in every square inch. This one won't last long. Call Dana Botteren to see it before it's gone.